boys and girls? Welcome to Growing Guitar. I have a very nice song for you guys from Alec Benjamin. Love his songs, and this one is called Pretending. So yes, nice song, great lyrics, always great lyrics from Alec. That is one of his strong assets. Alongside with his masculine voice. No, I'm just kidding. Cute voice there, very, very articulate, and his DNA all over the song. So let's go into this Pretending song with the capo set on 4th fret, absolute best scenario for us. So with that, we have 4 chords. We're gonna start with E minor, and E minor goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We have the C add 9, variational C chord, and that goes 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. We have D next. That will be open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And finally, we have the A minor. And that goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Okay, so we're gonna look into the strumming soon. First, the melody, and we're gonna do it chord by chord, starting with E minor. You're gonna play like this. So that will be open E string in the bass, then 2nd A, open B, and open G. Then you go to the next chord, the C add. I suggest to hold the full chord as it is, and you're gonna play like this. That will be 3rd fret A string, then open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Next chord is D. You go just like this. So you're gonna play open D string, 2nd G, 3rd high E, 2nd high E. And finally we have the A minor, and it goes like this. And that goes open A, 2nd D, 1st B, and 2nd high E. And that's the end note of this sweet melody. And one round goes like this. And you continue like that. Okay, now into the strumming, and now we're gonna hold the full chords as they are. Of course, they come in the same order: E minor, C, D, A. So we're gonna play like this. Okay, so what you hold here is E minor, and you're gonna play down, up, down, a short pause, and then down, up, down, up. So down, up, down, and then down, up, down, up. One of these rounds per chord, so down, up, down, down, up, down, up, C, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, and so on. So slowly like this. Alright guys, so there you have both the melody and the strumming for this song from Alec Benjamin. It's called Pretending. Hope you liked this one, and if you did, feel free to support me here. It will be highly appreciated. I love your support guys, so thank you so much, and hope to see you soon. Till next time guys, play tuned.